Kevin and I were putting this together, we had, well, that's one perspective of what you're seeing. We just want to do like a pop out with you. These are almost some the same, but some of the different pictures, and they're just quick stills to give you just a little bit more of an idea, about 4 or 5 minutes. This is where we left off, and now we're picking up again. And there you have it. That's the update. I would guesstimate we're about 80% plus. It's just moving along. It's exciting to go there. I was there probably 6-7 hours today, walking through, checking out everything, and looking in our NBF rooms, our IDF rooms, and all the stuff that's going on in there. And it's quite exciting. And it's when you're in there walking around, as you saw in the pictures, it's hard to tell that you have one trade right behind the other trade, right behind the other trade. If somebody trips, it's going to be like a dominoes. But we just keep plugging along. So, any questions for any of us?
Can I ask if Brad, Dave, or David, if you guys want to add anything, feel free. Okay, don't rush to the microphone.
I don't really have much to say. Dr. Wagner keeps asking if this ever gets boring, and I keep assuring him, and I'm, with all honesty, that it never gets boring to see something kind of come out of the ground and all these trades come together, and Brad's guys sort of make this thing happen. So.
Yeah, I hope we didn't bore you. I was probably a little bit overboard, but
No,
it was exciting.
We'll edit redundancy out for the next.
Any comment?
it's a copulation
Comments?
of my pictures and Kevin's.
Very nice. No, I've just been enjoying watching it go up. I go by there almost every day, so it's been easier on me than I thought it would be to watch the new school go up. So, really nice.
Well, it is changing daily, so
Yes. Yeah.
every day there's something new there, so.
I know, it's great. It's fun to
You
watch.
got basketball courts now, and you
Oh,
didn't have those
yeah,
yesterday,
every
you
day,
got kitchen
so.
equipment in there, you didn't have that yesterday.
Wow.
Every day it takes a new change. And Building B, for instance, the translucent wall panels that are on the north and south side, they're coming Thursday. So by the end of next week, we'll have those in. So Building B will be basically all in, it'll be weather tight per se. And, right after that, bleachers will start going. It is a domino effect. One trade right after another, they're just chasing each other.
And I'd like to give Kevin Wright, our IMC, credit. Him and I were working together. I threw in pictures that I had, he had his pictures, and we put it all together. I think it turned out really good.
Yeah, very good.
Who chose the music?
Yeah.
Not me.
We were gonna compliment you.
Not me. It's like colors. I probably would have had some, never mind. Beach Boys or something else.
Yeah, I was mentioning to Dr. Boyle, I don't see it every day, but I do see it weekly. I make the tour around. And it's nice to see the inside, some of the inside shots, because you can't see them in person.
Yeah.
When you're cruising the neighborhood, I'm waiting for some of the neighbors to call the police on me, because it's like a weekly thing. Saturday or Sunday, I'm slowly driving by, and
We give tours. If any of you want to go inside, and we'll get you a hard hat, make sure you wear good sole shoes. And I've been giving tours, Jeff's been giving tours, so just let me know.
so we would contact you, Roy.
Anytime, I would say now it's cooling down, that's why we waited, anytime after 3 o'clock, because most of the trades and everybody be out of the way, and then our safety situation will be under control. So I enjoy it. I've been taking my guys through. I was gonna send an email to the administration office. You wanna go see the inside, now it's time to go see it.
Okay. Yeah, we'll probably take you up on that.
You bet.
Thank you very much.
Gentlemen, thank you very much for being here and for
Thank
your work
you.
you've done. Thank you.
Get our flashlight.
He works with me.
Really shake that
As well.
thing.
What do you want me to go out?
Okay.
Missed the pouring of the overpasses.
Okay, we're in the general. Arizona School Board